to the municipality of Polomolok, where culture is still celebrated and tourism continues in a new normal setting.
Today, the world is tousled with fear, crisis, and agony. But we remained in one place as one, undivided and indestructible. We are sheltered and secured in a municipality that humbly embraced the new normal.
Still celebrated and tourism continues in a new normal setting, protecting the natural and cultural heritage of our beautiful municipality.
Padayon, Polomolok.
Padayon, Polomolok.